Today's recipe, seviyan kheer. Let's start. Crushed seviyan 4 ts. Cardamom powder 1 tsp. Almond. Sugar 1 cup as per taste. Add 2 liter milk. Bring it to boil. Add 4 tablespoons crushed seviyan. Cook on medium-low flame for 6 to 8 minutes while stirring in between. Separate the lye to the sides of pot. Continue stirring until milk thickens. Mash until desired consistency. Add 1 tsp cardamom powder. Sugar 1 cup or as per taste. Mix well. One tablespoon almond slice. Mix well. Let it cool. Desicated coconut. Seviyan kheer is ready. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share, comment, and thanks for watching this video.